Hi dear students, this is Mechanical Engineering Made Simple channel. So welcome back to all of you. Let us see today in this videos the effects of alloying elements and their effects. Okay, let us straight away jump into the topic. So we have seen that various elements are added to alloys for improving certain properties, basically mechanical properties. So then what are the alloying elements and what are their effect on improving the which type of mechanical properties? So let us see that today. First of all, let us see the chromium. So what does it do by adding chromium? What is the effect? Let us see that. So it is going to increase the corrosion resistance, increase the wear resistance, increase tensile strength, increase resistance to heat and reduce machinability. So next comes your copper. Copper, what does it do? Increasing toughness, increasing resistance to corrosion. So normally most of the elements what they do, they increase the corrosion resistance, all the alloying elements, but some specific elements are added to induce some specific properties. For example, if you see copper, so what it is doing, in addition to increasing the corrosion resistance, which is a normal thing, okay, so it is increasing toughness. So copper effect is to increase the toughness. Next comes your magnesium. Magnesium is very important for increasing the machinability. You can easily remember that, increasing the machinability, right? And finally, so what does it do? It will produce graphite in spherical form. So what is its effect? Let us see later. Next, it increases ductility. Ductility is another property which is induced due to the addition of the magnesium. Okay, so this is one more thing which is very important. Let us mark it. Then manganese. So what does manganese do when it is added to steels or cast irons, etc.? Okay, so what are its effects? Its effects are to stabilize the austenite, acts as a deoxidizer. It refines the graphite and perlite, refines the grains, increase the basic mechanical properties when added in low percentage. This is also a normal phenomena. And next comes your molybdenum. So what does molybdenum or cobalt they do? They increase the tensile strength, fatigue strength and hardness. So if you see carefully, what is the additional property it is inducing? It is increasing the fatigue resistance and hardness. So you can mark fatigue resistance. So effect of molybdenum or cobalt is to increase the fatigue resistance. It refines the graphite and perlite, improves the heat resistance, also acts as a austenizer, right? Next comes so the other effect of this is it increases hardness and promotes the uniform microstructure. Next comes nickel. Nickel is a very important element which is when added to steels or any other non-ferrous alloys. So it austenizer, it is basically austenizer. So what is the austenite phase? We are already having the idea. So it refines perlite and graphite, improves toughness and toughness of casting, refines the grains and resistance to corrosion. So these are the effects of nickel. Next comes vanadium or tungsten. So this is another important element which is added. When added, it will improve certain mechanical properties. So what are they? So it promotes the heat resistance, carbide stabilizer, increases strength and hardness, improves wear resistance, reduces graphitization, increases the basic mechanical properties when added small percentages, right? Next comes your zirconium. Zirconium when added to your non-ferrous metals, it is going to make the metal graphitizer, okay, a deoxidizer, and also reduces hardness. These are the effects of zirconium. Next comes your silicon. This is a very important once again. So it has got a specific property of promoting the formation of free graphite. When graphite is formed, it produces sound castings free from blowholes. So please remember this. So this is a very important element added in the castings for getting castings free from blowholes. So silicon is a very important element from that perspective. So silicon, it is producing sound castings free from blowholes. Next comes your phosphorus. Phosphorus. So for what does phosphorus do? It aids visibility and fluidity and it induces brittleness. So these are the two effects which it will have on the alloying elements, non-ferrous alloy. Next, Next, sulfur. So what does sulfur do? Sulfur always increases the machinability. This is very important. Okay. So please remember, effect of sulfur is to increase the machinability. Sulfur machinability. Silicon gives free castings free from blowholes. So please remember the effects of silicon and sulfur. There is no confusion of whatsoever at all, right? Then finally boron. It induces high hardness in the metals. Okay. So we have seen today in this video, we have seen what are the elements added when added to non-ferrous alloys or steels. What are the effects on their mechanical properties? So please go through them once again and mainly concentrate on silicon, sulfur, manganese and magnesium, etc. and also nickel also. Okay, try to differentiate their effects. So that will give you more idea and mostly select the correct answer. So these questions will be often confusing. So please be careful and select the answers accordingly. Okay guys, so let us stop here. Tomorrow we are going to see around 50 bits of this last chapter. This is steels and cast irons. This is very important, and you will get so after solving the paper you will definitely, so after you go through my videos and solve all the questions which we have covered in our videos, you will be able to answer any question on the engineering materials. In this particular subject we have covered the important areas covered are the material properties and testing, crystal structure and defects, phase diagrams, heat treatment process of steels and cast irons. So boys, if you have not subscribe my channel, subscribe, share, like and comment. That is my request, sincere request. We are going to cover a lot many subjects. It's only just the beginning. So just stay tuned to my channel. Wish you all the best.